Hi there. Welcome to the Biology Dojo, your go-to channel for simplifying, exploring, and engaging with fascinating biology topics. If you enjoy our content, subscribe to stay updated and be part of our community. Don't forget to like our videos and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. With that out the way, let's get to the class. Hello, class. How are you guys doing today? Oi, Braff, get back to your seat. Liz, would you mind presenting today?
I am on my way, sir. Look around you. Everything you see, plants, animals, people, even the tiny bacteria in the air, is part of biology. It's the science that explores what makes life possible, how living things function, and how they interact with the world around them. But it's not just about understanding the life forms you see. Biology seeks to answer fundamental questions about life itself. How does life begin? How do we grow and develop? Why do different species behave the way they do, and what drives those behaviors? What makes each of us unique at the molecular level, and how does this shape our abilities, our health, and even our future? What can we learn from the past, and how do these lessons shape our survival on Earth? And what will life look like in the future as science uncovers new possibilities? Have you ever stopped to wonder, what truly makes something alive? In this video, we embark on an exciting journey to uncover the secrets of life itself. We'll explore the defining characteristics of life and what separates the living from the non-living. We'll dive deep into the vast branches of biology, from the microscopic dance of cells to the complex beauty of entire ecosystems. Discover how biology is all around us, shaping our health, our environment, and even our future. And take a front row seat to the most groundbreaking discoveries in science, while glimpsing where this incredible field is headed next. Whether you're a student uncovering the wonders of biology, a curious mind fueled by questions, or simply someone who wants to understand life on a deeper level, this journey is for you. So open your mind and get ready to see the universe through the lens of life. What is life? The 7 characteristics of living things. Before we dive into the diverse fields of biology, let's first understand what it truly means to be alive. It's a question we all ask, yet answering it isn't always as simple as it seems. What makes something alive? Well, biologists have identified 7 key characteristics that define life itself. All living things are made up of cells, which are the fundamental units of life. Whether a single cell or millions, these tiny building blocks carry out the necessary functions that sustain life. Think of them as the engines running everything inside living organisms. Metabolism refers to all the chemical reactions that occur within a living organism. It's how organisms acquire and use energy to grow, repair, and function. Plants use photosynthesis to make their own food, animals hunt for it, and even microbes inside our body are busy converting food into energy. Growth and development. Every organism grows and develops based on genetic instructions encoded in their DNA. This could be as simple as a seed sprouting into a tree, or as complex as a human developing from a single fertilized cell into a fully functioning body. Growth isn't just about size, it's about how the organism's cells and systems become more specialized. Moreover, life continues through reproduction, and this can happen in many different ways. Reproduction ensures that life on Earth doesn't end with one generation but continues into the next. Some organisms reproduce sexually, while others can reproduce asexually. In addition, all living organisms respond to their environment. Whether it's a flower turning towards sunlight or a human pulling away from something hot, all living things react to changes in their surroundings. This ability to sense and respond ensures that life continues to thrive in the face of challenges. Homeostasis refers to an organism's ability to maintain a stable internal environment. The body works constantly to regulate things like temperature, pH, and fluid balance, even when external conditions fluctuate. For example, when you're hot, your body sweats to cool down. When you're cold, it shivers to warm up. Evolution and adaptation. Over time, species evolve through changes in their genetic makeup, driven by environmental pressures. These adaptations help organisms survive and thrive in their environments. Just think of the giraffe's long neck, which helps it feed from tall trees, or bacteria becoming resistant to antibiotics. If something doesn't meet all of these above-mentioned criteria, it isn't considered alive. The branches of biology, understanding life at different levels. Biology is a vast field, and to make sense of all its diversity, scientists have divided it into specialized areas of study. Let's explore the major branches of biology, each one essential to understanding different aspects of life. Microbiology, the study of microscopic life. Microbiology is the study of tiny organisms that we can't see with the naked eye, like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and algae. These organisms play huge roles in disease, medicine, and even the environment. Did you know that bacteria outnumber human cells in our bodies? And they're not all bad. Many help us digest food or fight off harmful pathogens. Microbiologists are also at the forefront of developing treatments and vaccines. Botany, the study of plants. Plants are the backbone of life on Earth, providing oxygen, food, and medicine. Botany studies their growth, reproduction, and how they interact with their environments. From towering trees to microscopic algae, plants are all around us. Plant research has led to advances like genetically modified crops, which are more resistant to droughts and pests. Who knows, maybe the cure for diseases will come from plant compounds still hidden in the rainforests. Zoology, the study of animals. Zoology focuses on animals, studying everything from their behavior to their evolutionary history. Whether it's a tiny insect or a majestic whale, zoologists seek to understand the intricacies of the animal kingdom. Zoology teaches us how animals communicate, solve problems, and adapt to their environments. It's also key to understanding the origins of human beings and our relationship with other life forms. Human biology, the study of our own bodies. Human biology is focused on the human body itself, from how we breathe and digest to how our bodies heal and fight disease. It's a deeply personal branch of biology because it explores what makes us, well, us. Human biology has provided breakthroughs in medical treatments, surgeries, and preventative health care. Understanding our genetics and how our body responds to illness is at the core of modern medicine. Genetics, the blueprint of life. Genetics explores how traits are passed down through generations. Your eye color, blood type, and even your predisposition to certain diseases are all determined by your genetic makeup. With genetic testing, we can trace family histories, identify genetic disorders, and even develop targeted treatments through gene therapy. Ecology, the study of interactions in nature. Ecology studies how living organisms interact with each other and their environment. It's the science that shows how ecosystems are connected and how human activity can impact the natural world. Ecologists play a crucial role in protecting biodiversity and combating climate change. From managing forests to preserving coral reefs, ecology is key to sustaining life on Earth. Evolutionary biology, the story of life's changes. Evolutionary biology explains how species change over time, adapting to new environments and evolving characteristics to survive. Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection is at the heart of this branch of biology. Understanding evolution helps us understand the complex history of life and how all organisms are connected in an intricate web of life. The role of biology in our daily lives. Biology is not just an academic subject. It's the force that drives much of our daily lives, shaping everything from our health to the food we eat and the environment we live in. Medicine and health. Every day, doctors and researchers rely on biology to cure diseases, develop vaccines, and create life-saving treatments. From understanding the genetic basis of diseases to pioneering new surgical techniques, biology is at the core of medical advancements. Food and agriculture. Biology impacts the food we eat and the ways we grow it. Farmers use biological principles to develop crops that thrive in tough conditions and fight off pests. By applying biological knowledge, we can ensure food security for a growing global population while protecting our environment. Environmental conservation. Biology also helps us protect endangered species and conserve natural habitats. From the forests to the oceans, biology provides the tools to manage and restore ecosystems. By understanding ecosystems and biodiversity, we can make informed decisions that protect the planet. Biotechnology is a growing field that uses biological processes to solve problems. From producing insulin for diabetics to creating sustainable biofuels, biotechnology has the potential to revolutionize industries. Through genetic engineering and biomanufacturing, biology can help solve global challenges in health, energy, and the environment. The future of biology is filled with exciting possibilities. Let's take a look at some of the breakthrough fields that will shape the coming years. Exciting breakthroughs in biology include CRISPR gene editing. Editing human DNA could cure genetic disorders. Artificial organs. Scientists are developing 3D printed hearts and lungs. Synthetic life. Engineers are creating new forms of life in labs. Space biology. Could we survive on Mars? Scientists are studying life in extreme conditions. Biology is more than just a subject. It's the key to understanding ourselves, our planet, and the future of life itself. So stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring the wonders of life. That's a wrap for today's lesson at the Biology Dojo. If you enjoyed the journey through the wonders of life, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Got questions or cool biology facts to share? Drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you. And remember, science is all about curiosity. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and I'll see you next time here at the Biology Dojo.